inch and 1/8 here, inch and 1/8 here. It's clear? Then take these pieces and we have to put these pieces like this, and here approximately on this level we have to make 2 lines from center line, 2 3/8 left and right. Then for example I make line here, 2 3/8, it will be here, and 2 3/8, it will be here. It's clear, guys? Center line here, inch and 1/8 left and right, 2 3/8 left and right. Now we have to put our back sleeve here, and we have to touch this line. It will be like this. The same with this sleeve here, and we touch this line as well. And then we have to trace all around. Up to here. Clear everything? Okay. Then I have to trace. I trace this line. Then you understand where we got this shape. Okay, and I mark everything, and I can mark notch, and then we transfer this notch in the same place on the armhole. Okay, now I remove this, and right now it will be here. I make dotted line as center of the sleeve. And here will be straight line. And here will be straight line. And length of the inseam, inch and 3/4 of an inch. And we make shape here. Up to here. And then our notches. Now I can remove these pieces, and right now you can see how it looks. We have to bring our sleeve cap here 1/4 of an inch. I make line like this, and then I blend it up to here and up to this line, and here, from here to here, it will be 1/4 of an inch. It's clear? Then it's almost done. Then we bring our armhole 1/4 up, yes? Then we have to do the same here. I continue my inseam and mark 1/4 here, and continue my inseam and mark 1/4 here, and mark inch and 3/4 length of the inseam. Inch and 3/4, it will be inch and 3/4 of an inch. Inch and 3/4 of an inch. And then just blend this and put ruler, and we make shape of the sleeve cap. And this line should be very smooth, come into our sleeve cap. Okay, and the same here. Okay, now we know where is end of the sleeve cap here, because we shape already, and length of the sleeve 7.5 inches. It will be under sleeve, longer part, 7.5. From here I mark 7.5. It will be here. And then we blend the bottom of the sleeve. From here, it will be 7.5. And it will be something like this, and it will be something like this. It's clear?
Mm-hmm.
Then, almost done. Just I mark, for example, I take red pencil and I make finish line for sleeve here, and here my inseam will be 1.75 of an inch. Then it will be here bottom line, it will be like bottom line, and then my and here and now we have to trace here and this part, and here will be almost straight. Notches here for back, and this notch for front. And our sleeve, top sleeve, will be 3/4 shorter. Then from this line up, we mark 3/4 of an inch. And then it will be 3/4 of an inch. It will be our top sleeve. Actually, length will be 6 3/4. It's different, will be 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and here will be 3/4 of an inch 3/4 of an inch. And here will be top sleeve. Top sleeve. And here will be under sleeve. Clear? Now, we know our armhole measurement. Yes, its front was 9 1/8. Yes? Yes, front 9 1/8. Then, where is my pencil? Nine 1/8. It will be here. And back 8 3/4 of an inch. Eight 3/4 of an inch. It will be here. And right now, I check space and inch and 3/8 in the middle. Then it will be notch, which should be matched to our shoulder seam. It will be here, to shoulder seam. Now, as we analyze design, our shirring on a sleeve, concentrate like inch and a half to back and to front. Then I have to put notches here on our front and back armhole. It will be inch and a half here, inch and a half here, and it will be inch and a half on the front as well. It will be inch and a half as well. Now we have to mark our notches on the front and on the back. Where is my sleeve? And on the front, from end to notch, it will be 4 1/4. Then I mark from here to here 4 1/4. It will be here. And then on the back, it's our green, from inseam to first notch here, it will be 3 5/8. It will be 3 5/8. Actually, we move quarter up our notches because we bring armhole and sleeve, underarm shape of the sleeve cap, quarter up. Then it will be our notching like this. Now we have to understand where we have to pre-shear our sleeve. From here to here, it's no shearing, yes? No shearing. From here to here, no shearing. Then we have to measure distance from single notch to notch for shearing. It will be 3 3/8. Then I mark here 3 3/8 here, and I put notch, and then its shearing should be start here. Then on the back, double notch, and then from top notch to this notch I measure. It will be 3 3/16. From here 3 and 3/16. It will be here. Then this part should be pressure to, who tell me, who not sleeping? How big should be shearing? Think about this. Who tell me? Then you not follow me. If you have here inch and a half, inch and a half, you have inch and a half, inch and a half, total 3 inches, yes? Then to fit length of the armhole, we have to pre-shear from here to here to 3 inches, God bless. Then we have to put notches. We put notches in red here. This notch and this notch. And you can see right now, this part and this, the same measurement. Because we found center which should be matched to our sleeve. Then you have to write from here to here. It will be shearing 2, 3 inches. You understand why?
Yeah.
Because when we pre-shear sleeve, then it will be length of our armhole. And then this notch and this notch match to these 2 notches. It's clear? Any questions? Okay, then let's start work.